चलो CDK1 regulation by phosphorylation. तो दिस इज़ एन इसेंशियली इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पेशली इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ ये पेज. CDK1 activities controlled by both activating and inhibiting phosphorylation. CDK1 activities controlled by both activating and inhibitory phosphorylation. स्टेप 1 क्या होता है? साइक्लिन बी बाइंड CDK1. जो साइक्लिन बी होता है वो एसोसिएट होता है विद CDK1 टू फॉर्म साइक्लिन बी CDK1 कॉम्प्लेक्स. However, simple binding cycling is not sufficient for full activation. बल्कि जो सिंपल बाइंडिंग होती है साइक्लिन की इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर फुल एक्टिवेशन. एक्टिवेटिंग फॉस्फोराइलेशन बाय CEK. द CDK एक्टिवेटिंग काइनेज CEK फॉस्फोराइलेट CDK1 at THR161. The CDK activating kinase. The CDK activating kinase CAK phosphorylates CDK1 at THR161. This phosphorylation occurs within the activation segment T loop of CDK1 and promotes the catalytically competent conformation. Cyclin B plus CDK1 plus CAK phosphorylation potential CDK1 activation, but there is an additional inhibitory layer. The activating phosphorylation by CAK, the CDK activating kinase CAK. The CDK activating kinase CAK फॉस्फोराइलेट CDK1 को क्या करता है? फॉस्फोराइलेट्स करता है एट THR161. दिस phosphorylation occurs within the activation segment T loop of CDK1 and promotes the catalytically competent conformation. Cyclin B plus CDK1 plus CEK phosphorylation potential CDK1 activation, but there is an additional inhibitory layer. V1 and CDC25, the critical G2M switch. CDK1 is also phosphorylated at inhibitory sites THR14, TYR15. THR14 and TYR15. The major kinase responsible for these inhibitory phosphorylation is V1 with MYT also contributing. Therefore, V1 MYT CDK1 THR14 TYR15 phosphorylation CDK1 off. Even though CDK1 has cyclin B and activating phosphorylation, these inhibitory phosphates prevent premature mitotic entry. CDC25 activates CDK1. At the appropriate time, the phosphatase CDC25 removes the inhibitory phosphatase from THR14 and TYR15. At the appropriate time, the phosphatase CDC25 removes the inhibitory phosphate from THR14 and TYR15. CDC25 dephosphorylation of THR14 TYR15 CDK1 activation. The resulting active cyclin B side CDK1 drives the G2M transition. Why this become a positive feedback switch? The most important point is the CDK1 activation is not a simpler pathway. Once a small amount of active cyclin B CDK1 appears, CDK1 activates CDC25, CDK1 inhibits V1, CDC25 activity inhibitory phosphatase removes CDK1 activity.